In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the path where documents save on WPS Office in Android and iOS. Welcome and thank you for watching. This tutorial is designed to help you clearly understand where your files are stored when using WPS Office on your mobile device, so you can easily locate, manage, and organize your documents without any confusion later on. When you are working in WPS Office on Android or iOS, the save path of your document becomes visible during the saving process. For example, imagine you have just finished editing a resume, report, or any other file inside the app. Once you are done making changes, tap the Done option to exit the editing mode and prepare the document for saving. After tapping Done, tap the Save icon at the top of the screen. This step is important because it shows you exactly where WPS Office plans to store your file. On this screen, you will see the current save location displayed clearly. By default, WPS Office usually selects WPS Cloud or My Cloud as the storage location, especially if you have not changed your storage settings before. This default cloud path allows your documents to sync across devices where you are signed in, which is useful if you work on multiple phones or tablets. If you choose to continue without making any changes, your file will be saved automatically in this default cloud location, and you can access it later through the WPS Office app. However, if you prefer to store your files somewhere else, you can change the save path before completing the process. To do this, tap directly on the displayed save path. Once you tap it, WPS Office will open a list of available storage options that you can choose from. These options may include WPS Cloud, Google Drive, or other connected cloud storage services on your device. If you want to save the document directly to your phone or tablet instead of a cloud service, tap the Location option. This will take you to your device's internal storage, where you can browse through folders just like a regular file manager. From here, you can select an existing folder or navigate to a location where you normally keep important documents for easier access later. Choosing the correct folder helps you stay organized and saves time when you need to find the file again. After selecting your preferred storage location, confirm the save action. WPS Office will then store your document in the exact path you selected. Knowing how to view and change the save path gives you full control over where your documents are kept. This is especially helpful when handling multiple files or switching between cloud and local storage. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.